Hey guys, just a quick video showing the Chew Jetty in Penang, Kuala Lumpur. So these are like floating villages built by Chinese long time ago, and now they're very famous for tourism and other, but there are actually lots of stores here. So this is the Chew Jetty. Oh, sorry. You can see that lots of stores, restaurants. Oh, baby got tired now. Yeah, that's true. I think the dog is in someone's house.
Smooth snow ice, juicy mango.
Yeah. Looks like there's a bit empty space here. Lots of souvenirs and other stuff, also lots of tourists. So we are close to exit, and there's like a small temple kind of thing here. And this is kind of close to the entrance, so it's like a temple, and that's the main entrance right there. So this is Chew Jetty in Penang, and for more Malaysia videos, please check the Malaysia playlist. Thank you for watching.